Tired of boring static text on your Wix website? In this video, series 2 of our web design tutorials, I'll show you how to make your text stand out with text masks. If you missed my previous video on this series or the previous one, no worries. You can check the playlist link in the description and catch up. First, log into your Wix account and open the project where you want to use the text mask. Navigate to the page where your text will appear. Next, click Add Element on the left menu, select Text and then choose Text Mask. Remember, a regular text box won't let you use videos or gradients inside your text. Now, click on the text mask to edit it. For example, I'll type creative. You can use any word or short phrase. This is the text your animation or gradient will fill. Now, select the text mask and go to Design. Here you can File, choose a video or gradient to fill your text with the effect you want. Font and size, pick a bold, readable font. Bigger text works best for video or gradient masks. Letter spacing and line height. Adjust spacing between letters to improve readability. Experiment with these settings until your text looks perfect. To fill your text with a video, click Change Media in the mask settings. Select a video from Wix's library or upload your own. The video will play inside the letters, making your text dynamic and engaging. Move your text mask to the spot you want and resize it by dragging the corners. Make sure the text is readable and fits seamlessly with your page design. Click Preview to see your text mask in action. If it looks good, hit Publish, and your masked text is live for all visitors to enjoy. If you want personalized help making your Wix website more dynamic, you can book a free call, link in the description. Pick a time, tell me what to focus on, and we'll connect. Or if WhatsApp is easier, just click the link and ask your question directly. And don't forget, like this video, share it and subscribe for more Wix Studio tips and web design tutorials.